we be honest for a second? Nobody wants to message 15 people just to get a discount. Nobody wants to spam friends. Nobody wants to send referral links to everyone they know. That's actually why I ignored Temu FREE Gift for so long. Every time I saw someone talking about it, it sounded like I'd have to become a full-time recruiter just to get rewards. But then I found out something that completely changed my opinion. You don't need to start with referrals. In fact, the biggest improvement I saw came from something much simpler: the code you activate at the beginning. I didn't realize how important that was until I started comparing results. First, I tried the normal way: random code, normal browsing, nothing special. The rewards felt weak, the coupons were average, the free gift progress barely moved. Then I activated the code on screen before doing anything else. And honestly, the experience changed immediately. Suddenly, I started seeing larger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. That's when I realized something. Most people focus on referrals because they think that's the only way to improve rewards. Meanwhile, they're completely ignoring the thing that actually changes the offers from the beginning: the code. Because after activating the code on screen early, the app started showing deals that I wasn't seeing before: better coupons, stronger discounts, more reward opportunities, and honestly, that felt a lot more useful than chasing referral links all day. I even tested random codes afterward just to compare, and the difference was obvious: smaller discounts, fewer rewards, almost no stacked offers. That's why, if your goal is getting more value from Temu, I'd focus on activating the right code first before worrying about referrals. Now let's keep this real. Does this mean you'll instantly unlock every reward without inviting anyone? No. Can different users still get different results? Absolutely. But compared to the random methods I tested, the code on screen consistently gave me the strongest coupon deals and the best free gift opportunities without needing to obsess over referrals. Before you start sending links to everyone you know, activate the code on screen first and see what changes. You might be surprised how much better the offers look.